Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to clear your ChatGPT memory on your desktop or browser. ChatGPT Memory stores details about your preferences over time. If it has picked up incorrect information or you simply want a fresh start, you can manage or wipe it entirely in seconds. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the interface. Click on your profile name and select Settings. In the sidebar, click on the Personalization tab. Here, you will see the Memory section. Click the Manage button. To remove everything, click the three dots at the top menu and click Delete All Memories. Confirm the deletion and every stored fact is permanently wiped. If you only want to remove specific items, click the three dots next to any individual memory and click Delete. Forward-thinking tip: deleting a chat does not delete the memories created during that conversation. Also, you can simply tell ChatGPT to forget everything you know about and write your specific memory directly in a chat, and it will update your memory bank instantly. And that's it! Keeping your memory bank clean ensures ChatGPT stays focused on your current needs. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.